Hey everyone, it's Chad, and today I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I've been up to. I just got back from the UK about a week ago. I went to an event over there held by Nick Zammit of NZ Wood Turning called Makers Central, and I just have to say it was an amazing event. I had a great time. A lot of other YouTubers that I've made friends with over the years also went, so it was like a big family reunion. I really have to say that if you have an opportunity to go that, definitely put that on your schedule. It'll probably be about this time again next year. In addition to that, I've got the Blade Show coming up in about, well, it's in 2 weeks. It's June 1st through 3rd. And I'm gonna have a quick video at the end of this showing kind of what the Blade Show was like in 2017. So far, what I know about 2018, there's over 900 vendors signed up. And some of those vendors are manufacturers, knife makers, blacksmiths, equipment suppliers like companies that make grinders. I'm assuming there's going to be some companies that make forging equipment, abrasives, companies that make scales for knives, all kinds of different materials like that. There's going to be knife sharpening companies there. Last year was really spectacular. I was a little bit overwhelmed. It's about 2 times the size of a typical woodworking show. So it was a lot of fun last year. I only got to spend about 5 hours there. This year, I'm going to be there from open to close. So June 1st through the 3rd. I believe it opens at 2 o'clock to the general public on Friday, and that's until 7 p.m. Anybody that finds me there, I'll be wearing a logo t-shirt, probably have my hat on. So if you find me there, just come say hello. I'll have some stickers to give out. So I'd love to meet you if you've been watching my channel. In addition to that, I'll have a special gift for at least one person who finds me. What else do I have going on? I've got several videos that I've already made. In addition to that, let's see, I made a gift for my wife for Mother's Day. It was a nice little end table. I'll probably include a picture of that at the end of the video, probably after the like, comment, subscribe slides pop in. So stay around, check that out at the end. And definitely, if you have any questions about what's going on, what I'm up to, what I'm going to be doing, please leave them down in the description. If you have any ideas for projects that I might include on my channel, I would love to hear them. Again, put that down in the description. And I guess that's it for today. Let's take a look at what Blade Show 2017 looked like.
Let's take the high road home. Why don't you come along? I know that we can make it. We pack our things and leave tonight, and everything will be alright. We'll take the high road home, back where we belong. Morning comes like an accident. You and me are here again, getting ready for nothing at all. We pick our clothes up off the floor, and then we both are at the door, wishing we could start something new. We got no time to waste, baby, don't you hesitate. We made the rules, now let's break them. Let's take the high road home. Why don't you come along? I know that we can make it. We pack our things and leave tonight, and everything will be alright. We'll take the high road home, back where we belong. Let's go before the curtain call. I need you here, not through it all. When leaving is the best way to go. We've been through hell and back again, and now it's time to make a stand. Stand up for love. We stand up for love. Should I break or should I fall? There's nothing left, nothing here at all. The memories are starting to fade. So let's take the high road home. Why don't you come along? I know that we can make it. We pack our things and leave tonight, and everything will be alright. We'll take the high road home, oh, back where we belong. Let's take the high road home. Why don't you come along? I know that we can make it. We pack our things and leave tonight, and everything will be alright. We'll take the high road home, oh, back where we belong. Back where we belong.